Are you tired of hearing save money, invest money, when you barely have enough to survive? You're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you the practical, step-by-step system to build cash flow from absolutely nothing. Even if you live in a country with bad economy, inflation, underemployment, and no opportunities, this is not theory. This is real survival finance for real people. Let's get into it. Step 1. Accept the reality. Income first, then cash flow. Cash flow management works when there's at least some money flowing in. If the inflow is too small, you need to expand the income base first. That's priority number 1. This is not to say budgeting is useless when you earn little, but you can't budget what doesn't exist. So step 1 is to hunt for more income sources. Understanding the cash flow problem. Before we talk solutions, let's face the reality. Prices are rising faster than your income. Jobs are scarce. And even when you have one, the salary is barely enough. The government? Forget it. So if you want financial control, you have to create your own cash flow system. Outside of your job, outside of government promises. Step 2. Create your survival flow. First, we need money flowing in. Any money. At this stage, don't overthink. Ask yourself, what skills do I already have that people will pay for today? What services can I offer in my neighborhood or online? Can I sell something fast? Products, old items, even knowledge? The goal here is simple. Get cash flowing in every week. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to start. Step 3. Triple income method. Once survival money is coming in, split your focus into 3 flows. Main flow. This is your job or primary hustle. Side flow. Something flexible, online gigs, freelancing, etc. Passive flow. Small investments, affiliate marketing, renting out something you own, or reselling digital products. Even if each flow is small, 3 small flows beat 1 unstable income. Step 4. Use time as capital. If you don't have money, you still have time. That time can be converted to money if you learn a high-demand skill like content creation, trading, design, social media management. Offer simple services people need, errands, cleaning, delivery, etc. Start teaching what you know. People will pay for guidance, no matter how basic. Time is your first capital when cash is tight. Step 5. Track everything, even if it feels silly. When you're broke, tracking your money feels useless. But here's the truth. What you don't track, you can't control. Start tracking. Every income, no matter how small. Every expense, no matter how minor. Every opportunity to reinvest in your own cash flow growth. Tracking makes you a financial hunter, always looking for where your next cash flow can grow. Step 6. Fight for financial space. Out of every cash you make, no matter how small, forcefully divide it. Some for survival, some to reinvest in income-producing assets like skills, tools, or stock. Some to save, even if it's 500 naira per week. This small discipline separates those who escape poverty from those who stay stuck. Step 7. Learn low-cost cash flow ideas. Not every business needs huge capital. Here are low-cost cash flow starters. Freelancing online, Upwork, Fiverr. Selling digital products, templates, ebooks, checklists. Teaching what you know, Zoom classes, WhatsApp coaching. Offering services, cleaning, logistics, content writing. Reselling products, mini importation, print on demand. Start with low cost. Reinvest profits into bigger opportunities. Step 8. Leverage community wealth. You are not alone in this struggle. Find people with similar hunger and create small wealth clubs like group savings, joint investments, shared side hustles. When you combine small resources, you can take bigger steps faster. Step 9. Learn high-income skills for the long game. While you build survival cash flow, develop one skill that can transform your income permanently. This could be digital marketing, forex trading, programming, public speaking, business consulting. One high-income skill is worth 5 low-income hustles. Let me tell you the hard truth. The economy will not automatically improve. Inflation won't respect your feelings. If you want cash flow freedom, you must create it yourself. But the good news is you don't need a perfect job, rich parents, or government favors to do it. You just need this roadmap and the courage to start. Now, here's my question to you. Which of these 8 steps are you starting today? Drop a comment and let's build wealth together. Also, if you found value in this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Someone out there needs this message today.